amazing session from rote learning to experiential learning.
We all are learning. Learning never ends. This competitive world, if even something you have learned from here and something take away from the school,